Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can change your phone number on Instagram. First, we'll quickly check if Instagram is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If the update button is there, click it and wait for Instagram to update. After that, open Instagram. We will click on the icon of our profile in the lower right corner. After that, we will click on Edit Profile, which is located below our picture. In the options that appear, we choose the last one. Personal Information Settings. In the options that have opened, select Phone. Here we enter our number and go to the Next button in the upper right corner. Keep in mind that Instagram will be free to send you SMS messages for security purposes and when logging in if we have forgotten our password. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.